In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls on HubSpot. Whether you're a sales professional trying to reach out to potential customers or a team member seeking a seamless way to communicate, HubSpot's calling feature can be incredibly efficient. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the main dashboard. Once you're in, the next step is to locate the CRM or Customer Relationship Management tool in the menu. The CRM is a central hub for managing your interactions with current and prospective customers, and it serves as the primary interface for contacting your leads. Once you find the CRM, give it a click to proceed. Next, you'll want to click on the Contacts tab inside the CRM. The Contacts section is where all your saved entries are stored, and this is where you'll access the information needed to make your calls. You'll see a comprehensive list of all your contacts, which you can easily scroll through or search specifically if you're looking for a particular name or detail. It's also good to remember that organizing your contacts with clear labels or tags can save you heaps of time in the long run. Once you've found the contact section, it's time to select the person you want to call. Browse through your list and click on the contact's name to pull up their detailed profile. Make sure you're thoughtful in deciding who to call by, perhaps scanning through recent interactions or notes left by you or your team. This can give you a better context on where to steer the conversation and can greatly enhance the quality of your communication. After selecting a contact, the next step is to make the call. Look for the phone icon or the call button prominently displayed on the contact's profile page. By clicking on this button, you'll initiate the call directly through HubSpot. This feature simplifies the process and integrates your communications within the CRM, allowing you to easily log calls, take notes during the conversation, and even schedule follow-ups if necessary. Remember, having a script or a list of talking points ready before the call can help facilitate a smoother conversation. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently make calls through HubSpot, ensuring that your interactions are both organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy calling!